Hello guys. Hello once again. Today I'm going to teach you on how to pay using Eurocash. So let's just say um, I'm done renewing, or I'm done transacting for my renewal of my IMG portal. So I use Eurocash as my mode of payment for my renewal of my IMG portal. So to get started, so since this is my payment instructions, so let's now go to my Neuracash and uh let's start paying. Yeah, let's start paying. So here it is in Neuracash. So just click this one, download app. So just make sure that you have already set up the profiles here, but I did not fully verified my account yet because we need to get like a bank certification for the bank, wherein you need to go to the bank, right? And you need to make sure that once you get the certificate, you will submit that to IMG. So for the meantime, so it's not yet verified because I haven't transacted yet the bank certificate that I have there. So I just have 2,541 pesos remain here in my balance. So I'm gonna use this to pay for my RMG accreditation. So if you will pay, just go here to bills payment here, and then go here to plus, and then uh okay, let's wait. Yeah, there. So dealer name, choose IMG, International Marketing Group. And then for the subscriber name, so you just copy this one. Sorry for that. This one, copy that one, paste it here, and then this subscriber number, copy it, copy, and paste it here. There. So amount, what's the amount? So as you can see, the amount here is 1.5. So you put here 1.5 there, and then send. So I really like Neuracash because it's very fast. So yeah, there. So I will check my email. So wait a moment. I'm gonna check my email and let me see uh what's the OTP for my transaction today. All right. Wait a moment. So I really like Neuracash because it's very fast. You know, if you are in a rush for your transactions, you can really make it here in Neuracash. That's good how it is. So I got it. So this is my OTP sent to my email. Okay. All right. So after this one, so let's just wait. It will appear here. And yes, let's check balance. And so this must be deducted already. So maybe it's still on transaction. So let's just wait for that. So but as long as you can see here, it's already appearing here on the list of bills payment. So it's already being paid, right? So it will be just be deducted once the system is recognize that one. All right. So that is how we pay our Neuracash. So thank you for listening. Thank you so much.